This is nothing OS 2 running on a 9 years old device which is Redmi 4X. This ROM is running on Android 13 and may have some bugs. So let's first set up the ROM and then I will show you the features and the bugs as well. The first bug is fingerprint not working, but I may paste a solution in the description and you can try that. If it works, it works. The UI is a bit messed, but you can fix it by adjusting the display size or icon size as well. As you can see, the ROM is based on Android 13, but you can also use Circle to search using the app that I will provide in the description. The battery backup and performance of this ROM is fine. Compared to stock, it is almost the same. And as this is not a Chinese ROM, you will get Play Store by default. You can see the QS panel as well, it is very smooth. There are several customization features as well, and you can hide an app or lock an app as well. Now let me show you the camera performance as well. The photo and video quality compared to stock is almost the same. The other bugs in this ROM are Bluetooth, and the performance seems fine. The ROM is almost daily drivable. You can see there is no jitter or lag. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.